In Tokyo, one simple question can help you feel safe. Welcome to the channel English Stories for Listening and Reading. I'm Anne, your English teacher.
Hi, Anne. I'm Tom.
Today's story is a trip to Japan in Tokyo,
Tokyo, Japan. Nice.
and our core skill is asking for directions.
Asking for directions. Okay.
Slow, friendly, clear. Let's begin. Tom is at his hotel.
I am at my hotel in Tokyo.
Tom wants the station.
I want the station, but I don't know.
So Tom asks the hotel staff.
Excuse me, where is the station?
Great. The staff says.
Go straight, then turn left at the corner.
The staff adds.
It is next to a coffee shop. You will see it.
Tom checks.
Is it near?
The staff says.
Yes, it is near.
Mini practice moment. Repeat after me. Excuse me.
Excuse me,
Where is the station?
where is the station?
Is it near?
Is it near?
Go straight.
Go straight.
Turn left at the corner.
Turn left at the corner.
Good. Now Tom goes out.
I walk out to the street.
The street is busy. Tom feels lost.
I feel lost again.
Tom asks a man on the street.
Excuse me, where is the coffee shop?
The man says.
Go straight, then turn right at the corner.
Tom repeats.
Go straight, turn right at the corner.
Tom sees the coffee shop.
I see it.
And next to it.
The station, next to the coffee shop.
Great. Tom goes inside the station.
I am in the station again.
Tom wants the train to the temple, Asakusa Temple.
Excuse me, how do I get to Asakusa Temple?
Nice. The worker says.
Go straight, then turn left to Platform 2.
Tom asks.
Platform 2, is it near?
The worker says.
Yes, it is near. Platform 2 is next to the big map.
Tom walks to platform 2.
I go straight, I turn left, I see Platform 2.
Tom asks one more thing.
Excuse me, 2 stops?
The worker says.
Yes, 2 stops, then walk. You will see the temple.
Mini practice moment. Repeat after me. How do I get to Asakusa Temple?
How do I get to Asakusa Temple?
Platform 2.
Platform 2.
2 stops.
2 stops.
Then walk.
Then walk.
You will see it.
You will see it.
Great. Tom rides the train.
1 stop, 2 stops. I get off.
Now Tom is outside near the temple.
Excuse me, where is the temple?
A woman says.
Go straight, then turn left at the corner.
She adds.
The temple is next to a big red gate. You will see it.
Tom repeats slowly.
Go straight, turn left at the corner, next to a red gate.
Tom walks and sees the gate.
I see the red gate, and I see the temple.
Great. Now Tom is hungry.
I am hungry. I want sushi.
Tom wants a sushi shop.
Excuse me, where is a sushi shop?
A shop worker says.
It is near. Go straight, then turn right at the corner.
The worker adds.
It is next to the bank. You will see it.
Tom checks.
Is it near?
The worker smiles.
Yes, it is near.
Tom walks and finds it.
Sushi shop, next to the bank.
Tom eats, then he has a new plan.
I want to see Tokyo Tower.
Great. Now Tom needs the station again.
Again, I need the station.
Tom asks a person.
Excuse me, where is the station?
The person says.
Go straight, then turn left at the corner.
Tom finds the station and asks inside.
Excuse me, how do I get to Tokyo Tower?
The worker says.
Go to platform 1. Take the train, 2 stops, then walk.
Mini practice moment. Repeat after me. Where is Tokyo Tower?
Where is Tokyo Tower?
How do I get to Tokyo Tower?
How do I get to Tokyo Tower?
Platform 1, 2 stops, then walk.
Platform 1, 2 stops, then walk.
You will see it.
You will see it.
Tom takes the train 2 stops.
2 stops. I get off, then I walk.
Tom asks on the street.
Excuse me, where is Tokyo Tower?
A woman says.
Go straight, then turn left at the corner. Go straight again.
She adds.
You will see Tokyo Tower.
Tom walks and smiles.
I see Tokyo Tower. Wow.
Beautiful. Now Tom goes back to his hotel.
I want my hotel again.
Tom goes to the station and rides back 2 stops.
2 stops, then walk.
Near the hotel area, Tom asks one last time.
Excuse me, where is my hotel?
The person asks.
Which hotel?
Tom answers.
Sunshine Hotel.
The person says.
Go straight, then turn right at the corner. It is next to a small park. You will see it.
Tom repeats.
Go straight, turn right at the corner, next to a small park.
And then.
I see it, my hotel.
Great job, Tom.
Thank you, Anne.
Now, short review. Repeat after me.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Where is the station?
Where is the station?
How do I get to the temple?
How do I get to the temple?
Is it near?
Is it near?
Go straight.
Go straight.
Turn left at the corner.
Turn left at the corner.
Next to.
Next to.
Platform, 2 stops, then walk.
Platform 1, 2 stops, then walk.
You will see it.
You will see it.
Have a wonderful day, and I hope you have a happy time with the channel English Stories for Listening and Reading.